How are you doing today? Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bellis Kitchen. You know that I love to teach cooking classes, and today we are going to make Hawaiian fried rice. When I'm cooking my rice or when I'm making fried rice, I use a day-old rice, meaning I would cook the rice today and then I will put it in the fridge and use it for my fried rice the next day. The reason being is because when you use a freshly steamed rice for your fried rice, it has a lot of moisture and your fried rice tends to be mushy, so you don't want that. So you let it sit in the fridge the night before or a couple of days before and then make your fried rice. So that way you're gonna have a really nice texture for your fried rice. So let's go ahead and make this Hawaiian fried rice. We're gonna start by mixing all the sauce ingredients. It's a very simple sauce, very few ingredients, just soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil. Then mix until everything is combined and set them aside. Now heat the pan with oil, add the eggs, scramble them, and once they're done, you remove them from the pan. Use the same pan, add some more oil if needed. Then we're gonna saute the onion and the garlic, and we're gonna season them with salt and pepper, and then continue sauteing until the onion is tender. And then now it's time to add the carrot and bell pepper and saute them until they're tender. Then we're gonna add the ham and then just heat them well, and then add the rice, combine everything until the rice is well heated. Then we're gonna add the sauce and the pineapple. Then make sure that you stir everything together and then add the scrambled egg and sprinkle them with green onions. Okay, time to taste. It's really good. See the rice, the texture of the rice is really nice. It's firm, it's not mushy. And I love that pineapple and ham, the combination. Oh, it's perfect. It's always perfect when you make your ham with pineapple, and it really turns out so good. So my lovelies, try this and let me know what you think. If you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.